This is the deciding moment for the price of Bitcoin right now, because if you have watched my last Friday's video, I told you guys that on Monday this will be a very important day, as the price of Bitcoin will be going to tell us that either it will go bullish or bearish. Well, unfortunately nothing has happened till now. I hope you already know I was correct about this huge dump coming in the price of Bitcoin, and I told you all that there are two chances, that either the price of Bitcoin will do a retest at this level after a breakdown and will continue towards the downside, or I told you all that it can be a fake out and the price of Bitcoin can reverse again towards the upside as well. Well, currently if you see this week's first candle, which is May, you can clearly see I went long here. And why I did went long here? First of all, if I move to the weekly time frame, then you can clearly see right here, when the time was there, when I was taking a trade, the price of Bitcoin was pumping towards the upside a little bit from this dump. So according to me, this week the price can pump towards the upside a little bit, not much, but little bit pump can come towards the upside in the price of Bitcoin till maybe $60,000. That is an important psychological round number level. And after this huge red candle last week, there are chances that the price of Bitcoin can pump towards the upside a little bit for maybe a retest, and then it can continue towards the downside as well. So I'm trying to capture that retest move only. Yes, there can be chances that the retest move already happened. Why? Because don't take it as a wrong information, but this whole zone is the important support and resistance level from $58,000 to $60,000. Currently the price of Bitcoin today have successfully done a retest here. So yes, there are chances that the price can reverse towards the downside from here once again as well. And yeah, there can be chances that the price can never go again at $60,000, I mean for the next coming weeks. But let's see what happens. This is the moment where no one can decide that the price of Bitcoin will do a fake out and again go bullish, or will it continue towards the downside. No one knows. But I entered in a long position, and you can clearly see that after I entered in a long position, price went all the way up till $58,000, exactly at my resistance zone. This whole zone is a very important resistance zone. So price did went till here. Let's see what happens. I mean, if today's candle closes in a bullish sign, then obviously it will be good for my trade, and if not, then it's okay. You can clearly see this is a 1:2 very tight risk management trade right here, as my stop loss is just under this wick. So even if this trade goes against me, I will exit in a small loss only. So yeah, let's see. Price can go bearish also right now, because like right now the market is fully unpredictable. But I went long because of the fear and greed index also. It is also a very important high conviction play in my whole confluence setup that triggered my setup to go towards the upside bullish, and that's why I've decided to go long. So let's see. Currently there is fear in the market, so I think that for some weeks there can be some bullishness, then we can see a huge amount of bears coming in the market as well, because you already know a huge level has just did a breakdown. So let's see. Currently the price of Bitcoin is unpredictable, so it can trap bears or bulls anytime. And also one more analysis I want to share with you guys. You can clearly see currently the price is in a full downtrend, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. So this is a high risky trade because I entered exactly at the bottom, exactly at the lower low. So there are chances that the price can make a lower high from here, which is also somewhat over here only, $60,000. Because if I draw a rough trend line from here like this, then you will see that a lower low, lower low, this is a lower high, this is a lower high, and then again the price can go towards the upside for a lower high which is somewhat over here. Let's see what happens, and if the price gets stuck here for quite some time, then it will be very trouble for me, because obviously no one can predict the consolidation. Consolidation can mean a continuation towards the downside or maybe a huge pump also. Right now I am on the BNB's chart right here. I usually don't talk about BNB much. However, if you look closely, this is a very important support and resistance zone, same as the price of Ethereum. If you watch my previous videos, from $518 to $466, this is a very important support and resistance wide zone, and you can clearly see price of BNB also is in a downtrend. Currently it has made a good support from this zone. Exactly at this zone it has made a good support, so it is looking bullish for BNB as well. And let's see what happens currently, because Ethereum is also at a very nice support. Whenever last time Ethereum came at its important support, then it did a huge pump towards the upside, so that's why I am little bit bullish on Bitcoin as well. Let's see what happens. Currently I'm not trading any altcoins, because obviously if the price of Bitcoin pumps, then each and every altcoin is being followed. And I am bullish on Bitcoin. Like, for very shorter term I am bullish, then for the medium term I am bearish, and for the longer term I'm more bearish on Bitcoin, because that's what original price action has to be followed in a way. But obviously it's just my own prediction, I can be wrong too. Let's see what happens. The only key is risk and money management. If you know how to do it well, then you can just make money in 9 losing trades, and your 1 winning trade can recover all your losses and you will be in profits. Yes guys, this is it for today's video. This is just a quick trade update from my side on the price of Bitcoin, and for your information I already shared this on my Twitter as well way long ago, like a couple of hours ago when I took this trade. So do follow me on my Twitter if you want to all get my analysis on Bitcoin, crypto, and each and every other news as well. So do follow me on my Twitter. Link is in the description and in the comment box. And if you want to buy Bitcoin or trade Bitcoin, you can do that on Bybit. My referral link is in the comment box and in the description. If you want to support me, you can do it, or else you can just go to Google and search bybit.com or Binance, and you can just create an account for free right there also. But just be aware that don't fall for any scams there. So yeah, this is it. Let's see what happens. I'll update you guys on my Monday's short video, so stay tuned, and thank you for watching. See you guys next time.